Reviewing programming concepts with JavaScript. There are two general types of code audiences, computers and humans. When we write code, when we talk to computers, we use keywords, combinations of letters that have special meaning in the programming language we're using. We also write comments. These are notes we leave for ourselves and other programmers. Keywords have special meaning in a programming language. An example in JavaScript would be the keyword let, L-E-T, which defines a variable whose value can change. Programming involves using keywords to instruct a computer to perform different tasks. These interact with variables to store and change data. Keywords are used with syntax. These are the rules defining how symbols are used in the language. For example, the semicolon in JavaScript is often used to mark the end of a statement. So this example right here, let, L-E-T, is the keyword, after follows the name of the variable, and then we see the use of syntax, the rules defining how symbols are used. We see the equal sign, a symbol, and the number 5, another symbol. In combination then, the syntax rules of JavaScript define that we use the keyword let, the name of the variable, then the equal sign and the number 5, followed at the very end with a semicolon, completing the assignment statement. A syntax error occurs when code does not follow the expected syntax rules of the language. This usually happens when a symbol is forgotten or used in a place its rules did not expect. Many text editors, like Visual Studio Code, use syntax highlighting to help users follow the language's rules. These include using colors for keywords and using other combinations of syntax highlighting to suggest to a developer or author when writing in a programming language they may not be following the syntax rules and helping guide them along. Finally, for human audiences, we have comments. In JavaScript, single-line comments are written using two slashes. Multi-line comments use slash asterisk and asterisk slash to end. Everything between them, between the starting slash asterisk and asterisk slash, is part of that comment. And we see two examples here. The first is a single line comment starting with two slashes and running to the end of that line. Starting then on the next line, we see slash asterisk and then asterisk slash to end the multi-line comment. We also see the additional use of multi asterisks within this. This is not technically necessary, but is a common pattern used for multi-line comments to help for, again, human audiences. The extra asterisk, the slash asterisk asterisk, indicates the start of a comment. Then we see the use of an asterisk per line to indicate where each line starts. Again, this is not technically necessary, but helps for readability and helps human audiences, as it's intended, to know where each line starts. This has been a review of programming concepts, at least generally, within code looking at JavaScript. Two key concepts being keywords, combinations of letters that have special meaning in the language, and comments, notes we leave for ourselves and other programmers.